Hey, Indian family, how are you doing? So today, I, along with my co-founder, went to train some startups in Jinserve, which is one of the prime incubation centers in Bangalore, and so we had to give training to those startups, and it was kind of a workshop. So and a workshop or a training means that you have to speak in front of the audience, right, which is there. So, today I learned one thing which is regarding public speaking, which of course I have, a fear of. So, how I got rid of that fear is what I'm talking about today. So, today I discovered that whenever I engaged with all of the audiences which were present there, I felt more comfortable and I made them feel comfortable about myself, about my skills. So what happened whenever I trained something, whenever I showed something practical, I wasn't hesitating to show that, or I wasn't afraid, nervous, because I already knew that I already connected with the audience, and there was no fear, and audience also had trust in me. So this way, this is the one way you can eliminate the fear of public speaking, right? Because you already had connected with the audience. So I can understand that if you are going after 1,000 people, it's impossible, practically impossible to do that. But if you are there with 20-30 guys, you definitely make sure that you connect with each one of them, and just make connections and make them feel comfortable about yourself, that you are an expert. They should feel that you know your stuff. That way, whenever you are going to speak in front of them, they won't hesitate and you won't be afraid to convey your thoughts. So this was a few kind of practical stuff which I see and learn in everyday life, and I try to share it with you guys. Hope you find it useful. Leave your comments if you think this is a fine strategy, and anyone can sorry for that, use it to remove their fear of public speaking, right? Thank you so much. Signing off.